Hello, Earth Science students. This is Mrs. Sager. I'm going to show you today how to turn in your A-layer essay rough draft and final draft. So before we begin, I want you to imagine that you have already written your 3-body paragraphs with footnoted citations. You've written your introduction and conclusion paragraphs. You've sat down with a partner in class. You have filled out and read to each other your essays, and you filled out the peer editing checklist. Then you spent some time revising your essay based on the comments that your peer editor put on your essay. And so now you're ready to turn in your final draft. So I want you to pretend that you are going to click on your class. I've put an example class here so I can show you exactly how to do this. So you'll log into that. You'll click on the A-layer rough draft and final draft assignment. Ellie helped me with this, so you'll see some examples here. So here's her name, and then you'll turn in your rough draft and you'll turn in your final draft. Now yours will look a little bit different because it won't say student name on each one of these. So let me show you what it'll look like. So this is your rough draft. The rough draft contains all the highlighted information and all the comments from your partner that shows everything that should be fixed. Okay, the way you'll set up the title on this one is you'll put the name of the unit followed by A-layer essay, your first and last name, and then rough draft. Okay, so that one gets turned in. The next one will be this cleaned up, lovely, completely revised, best product possible final draft. And the final draft looks exactly like the rough draft in terms of its title. It's just you will call it your final draft. So that by the time you turn everything in, you will have 2 different essays for me to look at. I'm looking for what your partner asked you to revise in your rough draft, and I'm looking to see that you made all those revisions and polished up your final draft. Okay? If you have any questions about how to do this, be sure to ask me. Thanks, guys.